how to tighten a drill bit in your Makita cordless drill. Now, I always like the Makita sign facing me. The other side is just this information label, so put it down like this and make sure your chuck's open. So open it, spin it away like that. So with the sign facing you, spin it away. This will open up the chuck to enter your bit. Now spin towards you. This tightens up the chuck around the bit. And then what you want to do is hold this bit here and this section here, which is the chuck, and twist towards you to give it one final tighten like that. So that's how easy it is to tighten a drill bit in your Makita cordless drill. If this video helps you out, help me out by smashing that like and the subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching.